Let's draw Xmas tree, which is used during Christmas to celebrate it in a very easy step-by-step manner. You could use your own pencil and pen to draw along with me. First, we are making the star which is present at the top of the Christmas tree. I am drawing slowly so that it is easy to understand and draw along with me. Now we are drawing each layer of the Xmas tree step by step. First the curved line, then the wave-like structure to complete the first part of the tree. Now covering the tree with some lace, which will make it look more beautiful. Next step is the circle. We are drawing circle right now. Now we are repeating the same procedure. Next step is to draw the stem or the trunk of the tree. Decorating the pot of the Xmas tree with wave-like design. Our drawing of Xmas tree is complete. Let's give some outline to this Xmas tree. Did you enjoy drawing with me? If yes, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.